I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Check whether your system needs a 2, 5 SATA or an M.2 NVMe Sandisk SSD. Once done, back up everything. Imaging or cloning preserves your OS and files, so make that copy now. Make sure you have basic tools, a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static strap, and the right connector or enclosure. Remove power and battery first, then open the case. Ground yourself. Insert the drive partially to confirm fit, then prepare to secure and connect before powering on. You install the SanDisk SSD by seating an M.2 at the correct angle and fastening the standoff screw, or by sliding a 2.5 into its bay and hooking SATA and power cables. Then, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new drive appears. Set OSI for SATA, and ensure NVMe is enabled where required. Next, in your operating system, initialize the disk, create partitions, format as NTFS or XFAT, and assign a drive letter so the system recognizes it for use and cloning. You complete the process by cloning your OS to the SanDisk SSD if it replaces an older drive, then set boot order so the SSD is primary. After first boot, install SanDisk Dashboard or Firmware Updater and enable trim to maintain performance. Run an initial health and speed check, verify free space and alignment. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by reseating the drive and cables, testing a different SATA port or M.2 slot, checking BIOS detection, and updating firmware before repeating the cloning or install steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.